Hello and welcome to another Beehiiv feature update. In this video, we're going to cover an update to our recommendations feature that allows you to provide recommendations within emails themselves so that you can help cross-promote other publications that you run or other publications that you've partnered with. So to get started, we're going to be on the, this is the post editor view. We're going to jump into a post. I've created this headline where we'll add this content. What we're going to do is go to this plus button to add a new widget, and we're going to drop down to recommendation. From here, we'll then be able to select any of the recommendations or recommended posts that we have listed within our recommendations section. So again, to access recommendations, you're going to go to grow and then recommendations, and you would basically select whichever publications you want to share. And then they'll show up on this list. So if you add a couple different ones, you can have them show up here. Their description will be pulled in underneath of the title. This one doesn't have one, so it doesn't show up. So then we go to preview, you'll see that users can then click to one-click subscribe. There you have it. That's how we've implemented recommendations within beehiiv emails themselves. Similar functionality to things like magic links, but the magic links work a little bit differently. So be sure to check out that Beehiiv 101 video if you want to learn how to cross-promote using magic links in a very similar functionality, but a different implementation. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We can't wait to see what you build.